Want to bring a program back from a floppy disk or from a network server back onto our local machine to work with it, we use the tool in step 7 called retrieve. And to be able to retrieve a project, if it's one that's already existing, just a different version of one we've already got named on our local computer, we have to be sure and close that project, just like we did when we were archiving. If the project's open, it won't be able to be replaced by the version that we're bringing in off our floppy disk. So we've got all projects are closed. We say File and pick Retrieve out of the File menu, and it may automatically default to the floppy drive on A. Basically, it's going to go to wherever the last retrieval it did. In our case, we were already set for A, so we can just select the program there. Again, it's going to default to whatever compression program you've selected in Options. If it's something other than ARJ, or if we have a different file, we can always say look at all files on the disk and it will show that. So once we select the program we want to bring back in, we say Open. Select the target directory. If you have chosen to let Step 7 keep his default location for saving projects, it will be a subdirectory called S7PROJ for S7 project. You want to retrieve to that directory. Don't make the mistake of coming down and finding the directory that has your actual project name on it. If you do that, it's going to try and rebuild another project directory underneath that project. So what you want to do is just let it take the default that it comes up to on with the S7 project name. Say OK. And we're inflating, expanding the programs off the floppy. It says, okay, that one was already on here. There was an earlier version. Do you want to store this in a different directory, or do you want to replace the one that's already there? I'm going to say replace. We know that the one we're retrieving is a better version than what we've got. And it says, okay, we've done that. Do you want to open it now? You can either say yes or no. Say no, just goes back to manager. If you say yes, it will go ahead and open the project that you just retrieved, and you can look in there and see exactly what you've got.